How to use the BladeKage. There's 4 parts to the tool. You have a short thumb screw with a pin set, another thumb screw that's a flush mount, a restart thumb screw, and a pin press thumb screw. By changing 2 blades from broadhead, simply remove tip of broadhead, oiling and slot where the broadhead blades are, allowing that pin to get lubricated, opening up blades, slide broadhead into tool, grabbing your pin set, screwing in clockwise until thumb screw stops against base of broadhead. Backing it out, removing old blades. Remove pin set, grabbing your flush mount, screwing up, sliding new blades in, aligning above hole where the slots are, screwing clockwise until thumb screw stops. Backing off, blades are changed. Replace new tip and you're ready to hunt. Now on changing and replacing new pin, same process, remove tip, sliding broadhead into BladeKage, using your long pin press, screwing it clockwise until pin falls out of base of cage. Backing it all the way out. Remove your blades, replace them with new ones, taking the new pin, putting in restart, oil new pin, coming from bottom of tool clockwise, aligning by looking down through the hole that your slots and the pin are aligned. Press up until you feel resistance, and backing out restart tool. Use your flush mount tool to set pin flush with base of broadhead. Also aligning. Press in until you feel thumb screw resistance. Remove broadhead. Replace tip, and now store all the tools in proper storing areas of BladeKage for later use. And also the BladeKage has an Allen head that comes with it with a fine set screw micro tune. This should be already adjusted in package, but is there for your necessity if for some reason you have damaged tips. Thank you.